Hello everyone, I'm Joyce Falcone, the Italian Concierge. My company is specialized in luxury itineraries to Italy. Tonight we'll be featuring episode 3. In episode 3 we'll be going to the hills of Chianti outside of Florence, where we'll do two of my favorite activities that I like to suggest everybody do at some point during their trips, and that is go for a walk between the villages and also take a cooking lesson. So we'll visit two of our fabulous vendors there and hope you enjoy it.
Oh, hello everybody. Welcome to Ciona, welcome to Tutti a Tavola. We will have a short class today, very short because of the COVID-19. We will have the class inside and then we will go to have our lunch on the terrace. Come inside. Follow me. Hello ladies, welcome again to Tutti a Tavola. May I show you the ingredients for our recipe, the so-called mise en place. And it is a very simple Italian recipe, pasta alla matriciana. And the ingredients are good, wonderful, this muti polpa di pomodoro, spaghetti, pancetta, slice little cubes, and parmigiano reggiano or pecorino, depending on your taste. And of course, our extra virgin olive oil.
We make it. We make. That's olive
Both of
oil.
us. Both of us. Please, now go to the stove and Franca will show you the procedure. You see, the bacon is cooking,
It's frying by itself. When it's done, you take it away. The sauce has been cooking also, and now we can mix the two. Okay, the sauce is ready. Now we check the pasta. Oh, it's al dente.
Al dente. The amatriciana is ready. Let's have it with a good glass of Chianti wine. To Joyce and Italian Concierge. Salute.
Salute.
Hi everybody, I'm Sara, I'm a hiking guide and today I'm in the middle of the Chianti Classico area in one of the most beautiful villages of Tuscany, which is Volpaia. Do you know what volpe means in Italian? It means fox. Huh? Let's start our walk together. At the very beginning there will be one of the most amazing cypress trees alley of Chianti. Cypress trees were very symbolic for our ancestors. Probably they have been imported here many centuries ago by the previous populations who inhabited the Chianti area, the Tuscans, which gave the name to our region, Tuscany, Etruschi in Italian. Actually, the cypress trees are not native from Italy. They come from Mid-East, and they were very symbolic because they represented the link in between the people who live in our world with the gods who are instead in the sky. And they were also a symbol of fertility, and actually they were planted every time a family had a woman, a girl. They planted the cypress in front of the house. That's the origin of the tradition of having a line of cypress in front of beautiful villas or at the entrance of the villages of many villages of Chianti. So let's see together the beautiful line of Cypress, which is just outside the village of Volpaia. Some of them are really big. That means that they are very ancient, but remember that every time you see a cypress in the middle of the countryside of Tuscany, there must be a reason for that tree. Here we are. This is really the kind of tree which was used since centuries ago for drawing our landscape, for making our landscape. It's important, according to me, and quite helpful to be guided in the countryside, because you can it will be easier for you to understand better how the landscape was made by humans in Tuscany. And well, I will say you goodbye with a legend which talks about God who saw Tuscany from the sky. He was so happy of creating such an amazing place that he threw down in the ground many exclamation points, which are the ones he thought when he saw Tuscany from the sky. Arrivederci! See you in Italy!
I hope you enjoyed episode 3. Shortly we'll be featuring episode 4. We'll head to Liguria to do Liguria Levante, which is the eastern coast of Liguria. Many of you have asked and have heard about the Cinque Terre. In addition, we'll be visiting Santa Margherita Ligure and Portofino, along with Sestri Levante and some of the artisans there. So keep watching. We'll take you all over Italia and visit it visually until they let us in. Have a good evening.